Building your online business. How a domain name kickstarts your journey in 5 easy steps. Hello and welcome to our video on building your online business. In this video, we'll explore how a domain name kickstarts your journey to success. What is a domain name? A domain name is the address of your website. It's what people type in to find your business online. Just like a physical address, a domain name helps customers locate your business online. It's important to choose a domain name that's easy to remember, easy to spell, and reflects your brand identity. Why a domain name matters. Your domain name is often the first impression potential customers have of your business. It sets the tone for your online presence and credibility. A professional domain name shows that you're serious about your business and committed to building a strong online presence. On the other hand, a poorly chosen domain name can turn off potential customers and hurt your credibility. Now that we understand the importance of a domain name, let's dive into the essential steps of choosing the perfect domain name for your online business. Step 1. Brainstorming your domain name. So, how do you come up with the perfect domain name for your business? Start by brainstorming a list of keywords related to your industry or brand. Consider using a combination of these keywords to create a unique and memorable domain name. Step 2. Checking availability. Once you have a list of potential domain names, it's time to check their availability. You can use Directnic's online tools to see if your desired domain name is still available. If your first choice isn't available, don't worry. There are plenty of alternatives out there. Keep trying different variations until you find the right fit for your business. Step 3. Choosing the right extension. While .com is still the most popular domain extension, there are many others to choose from. Consider which extension best suits your business and target audience. For example, if your business targets a specific region, a local domain extension may be beneficial. Or if your business focuses on a particular industry, a specialized domain extension can help you stand out. Step 4. Securing your domain name. Now that you've found the perfect domain name, it's time to secure it. Make sure to register your domain name for a reasonable period of time, such as 5 to 10 years. Also, consider purchasing variations of your domain name to prevent competitors from poaching your customers. Here at Directnic, we make it easy for you to register a domain name with our user-friendly interface and reliable services. Step 5. Building trust and credibility. Your domain name plays a significant role in building trust and credibility with your customers. It's essential to have a professional-looking domain name that reflects your brand identity. In addition, consider investing in an SSL certificate to show visitors that your website is secure and trustworthy. Your domain name can also impact your search engine rankings. Consider incorporating relevant keywords into your domain name to boost your SEO efforts. However, avoid stuffing your domain name with too many keywords, as this can negatively impact user experience and credibility. As your business grows and evolves, so should your domain name strategy. Consider securing variant domain names to protect your brand and accommodate future expansion. By doing so, you'll ensure that your online presence stays strong and consistent, even as your business changes and grows. That's it. By following these tips, you can choose a domain name that kicks off your online business journey on the right foot. Remember, your domain name is the foundation of your online presence, so take the time to get it right. Thank you for watching and happy building.